Hello, hello. How are you? I hope you're doing good. I do. Let me know. Put it down in the comments. I want to know. Okay, so I got my Ipsy Glam Bag X. And I actually ended up getting 2 of these. The reason being is, honestly, it was kind of an accident. Now, I noticed on, because I do have 2 different Ipsy accounts and profiles, like I've mentioned before, and on my second profile that I was not getting the Glam Bag X, I had noticed that it had said the May Glam Bag X was sold out. So, for curiosity's sake, I clicked it and popped on the wait list. Well, sure enough, a few weeks, not a few weeks, a couple of days later, not even a week, it said that I got in on the May Glam Bag X. So it was kind of like, is it sold out? Is it not sold out? Are you saying that to put a fire under our butts? What you doing? And I forgot to go back in and cancel it, which it's fine, just because, again, I figured, all right, if we can't choose our palette, maybe this will help my odds of getting the palette that I want. Well, no, it didn't. I did get very different choices on my 2 different profiles, but I obviously did not get the palette I wanted. Let's unbox this, and I don't know, did you get the Ipsy X for the May edition? Were you disappointed with the palettes not being a choice? In addition to that, I know a lot of people were disappointed they didn't get the Charlotte Tilbury cream. I didn't either, in either of my boxes. Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, I mean, it took them 2 flipping months to get me my first Ipsy Glam Bag X by the time shipping was done. And Ipsy shipments are behind again this month, so I don't know what's going on. All right, you get this, like, newspaper looking thing. And if you don't know, which I think at this point everybody does, the Ipsy Glam Bag X is $55. And it replaces one of your glam bags that you get for the month. Additionally, the box was curated by none other than Khloe Kardashian. Okay, now, so in our, like, newspaper thingy, it lists all of the products. So you don't get a very, really specific flyer thing. It's pretty much got everything. So, okay, what did I get in my first Ipsy X? Let me show you. We all got this baby, which is the 111 Skin Rose Gold Radiance Booster Serum. This retails for $135. I do really like 111 Skin products, so I'm happy to try this and see how I like it. This Rose Gold Radiance Booster contains rose water, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and light reflecting gold to illuminate the skin. Okay, next is by Rodial. This is their Pink Diamond Cleanser. This retails for $59. I have actually tried this specific cleanser before, and although I absolutely love almost all Radiance products, this wasn't one of my favorites. Just saying. So this cleansing balm is supposed to easily remove makeup and impurities, and it contains vitamin E, sweet almond oil, and rice germ oil. Okay. The next thing I got is from Sunday Riley, and I do really like Sunday Riley products. This is the CEO Glow Vitamin C and Turmeric Face Oil. I've heard good things about this. However, I don't really use face oils, primarily because I already have oily skin, so my skin doesn't like them very much. This Sunday Riley product retails for $40, and it helps with dark spots and is packed with a cocktail of skin brighteners. The next thing I got is by COSSIS, and it is the mascara. This is what she looks like, and it says it's the Big Clean Volumizing and Lash Care Mascara in the color black, and it retails for $26. Now, I'm not going to open this right now because I do have several mascaras open at the moment. However, I am actually excited to try it because I do really like mascaras. Okay, this is the palette that I got. It is the Patrick STARR One Size palette, and it retails for $42. As I stated earlier, I was hoping for the ABH palette, but it's quite all right because I actually have one of my pals here on YouTube. We're going to swap palettes. So she wanted this one and I wanted the ABH. Now, a really cute thing with this palette, a lot of people had mentioned that they kind of thought the palette was cockeyed or crooked, but in all actuality, it's made like this for people that have long nails. It's easy to open. It does have a really good size mirror, and then these are the colors that come in this palette. So, I don't know. I mean, technically, I just kind of feel like it's a lot of warm neutrals, and then your one pop of color. I was kind of wishing there was more color in it, but that's okay. Okay, the next thing I got is from Tower 28, and it is a lip gloss. Is that it? There we go. This retails for $14, and it's a Shine On Milky Lip Jelly. It's vegan and cruelty free. I do have a bunch of lip glosses right now, so I'm probably going to put that in a giveaway for one of you guys. Next is, okay, so this is something else from Patrick STARR, and it's the One Size. Yeah, it's the Eye Popper Sparkle Vision Liquid Eyeshadow. And it retails for $22, and the color we got is in Everything and More. Now, this I don't wear a lot of liquid eyeshadows, primarily because of my oily skin, but I was really excited to try this one out, and it definitely looks super pretty. I'm really, really excited to try this. I also got, I think I ordered 1 or 2 more in Boxy Pop-Up that they just had. So there is, hold on, let me see. Okay, there you go. There's the sparkle in it. So it's a very, very pretty rose gold. Really happy with that one. And last but not least, the other thing I got was the Reiki Ipsy limited edition LED mirror. And this, I was over the moon to get. I believe it retails for $60. Yes, it does. I was actually over on their website, and look at the packaging. It matches this month's theme with those really pretty flowers. Yeah, so I did pop over to the website to read a little bit more about this product. But it comes with instructions, care, and a charger. So everything is right in there. This is what it looks like. And then on the back, right here is the button to turn it on. And then here is like a little kickstand. And then down here at the bottom, you can see the little slot there. That I thought was actually adorable. It's this little thing that pulls out and you can turn it and just stick your fingers in like that and hold your mirror. Isn't that cool? I'm going to try not to blind you. So there's the light up mirror, and it has 3 different light settings. So this is super duper cool. Isn't that neat? And like I said, it comes with the charger and everything. So what is the total value of my box? I believe you could have gotten up to a $455 value on our boxes. Mine personally, with all of these goodies, is $398 for a $55 box. And one thing I've been trying to do in my unboxing videos is give you the actual percentage of savings over between what you get in your box and if you were to purchase these items retail. So the total percentage of savings is 86% off. So I'll save 86% all day long and get these discounted products. What about you? Okay, that's it. That's my Ipsy Glam Bag X for May 2021, which is the 2nd edition of this new upgraded subscription. Let me know what you guys think. Put it down in the comments. Is this something that you put in for this month? Let me know. Okay. Love you guys bunches. And thank you so much for coming to hang out with me for just a little bit for another one of my unboxings. I do appreciate you so, so much. And if you haven't done so already, smash that subscribe button and the notification bell before you go. Okay. Love you. Thank you. See you soon. Talk to you later. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.